For generations, humanity has pushed innovation beyond imagination. We built civilizations, we connected the world, we created technologies powerful enough to change the future. And somehow, we still don't know where to throw this. Welcome to modern humanity. We want luxury. We want convenience. We want sustainability, preferably delivered tomorrow before noon, without us ever leaving the sofa. Luckily, some people decided to stop talking about the future and actually build it. Corsair Connect, a global community built around one simple idea. What if cleaning the planet could also create opportunity? What if business, community, innovation, and impact could finally work together? No superheroes, no perfect people, no perfect system. Just millions of people trying to move the world in the right direction. Global mission, united community, real impact. Corsair Connect. Connect with the planet.